Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online class. I hope you are doing your studies well. In last 2 years already we have discussed about the magnet, properties of magnet, types of magnets, okay, how we can magnetize a magnetic substance, how we can demagnetize for a given magnetic substance, okay, single touch method, double touch method, okay, used to demagnetize or magnetize the a given magnetic substance. Electromagnet, how we can prepare an electromagnet and uses of electromagnet. Okay students, magnet, what is this magnet? It is a substance which is found in the form of ferric oxide, Fe3O4. Already we can say that it is a lodestone, black stone or lodestone, the mixture of ferric oxide, okay, and this is the some other chemical substance is called ferrite. Okay. So basically magnet is what? Present or found in nature in the form of lodestone or black stone, that is ferric oxide, Fe3O4. Okay. Now today we discuss about the magnetic field and magnetic field lines. Okay. Before discussing about these points, magnetic field and magnetic field line strengths, we will discuss about the magnetic force. You know force, any push or pull. Already we have discussed about this point in which chapter? Third chapter ना, force. हम लोग इस बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं ना, force के बारे में. Push or pull, any type of push or pull. When you are going to open the door, that is the what? Pull. When you are going to close the door, that is the push. So force is any type of push or pull. Same as when any magnetic substance just bring near to a magnet, it will apply a force to the magnetic substance, either attraction or repulsion, means push or pull. जब भी किसी हम मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस को किसी मैग्नेट के पास ले आते हैं, ठीक है, तो क्या होता है, वो उसको या तो अट्रैक्ट करेगा और रिपल करेगा. सपोज इट इज ए बार मैग्नेट, हियर इट इज नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. ओके, क्लियर? सो व्हेन वी एनी पीस ऑफ आयरन पीस, सपोज nail, any net, okay, bring to this north pole of this magnet. So what will happen? It will apply a force of attraction because it is a magnetic force. Magnetic substance will apply a force of attraction. Force of attraction. इसको attract करेगा. Clear? But up to which region or space it will apply, or its force of attraction will be applicable for this particular magnetic substance or iron piece. किस रीजन तक, किस एरिया तक इसका ये फोर्स एप्लीकेबल होगा, इस मैग्नेटिक नीडल पे. ओके, दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन और स्पेस अराउंड ए मैग्नेट, ओके, दैट रीजन इज कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके, उस मैग्नेट के चारों तरफ वो रीजन, ओके, इन विच एनी मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस feels or experience a force of attraction or repulsion. मतलब किसी भी मैग्नेट के चारों तरफ का वो रीजन, वो स्पेस, ओके, जिसमें कोई भी मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस, आइदर कोबाल्ट, निकेल, आयरन, इट एक्सपीरियंस ए फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शन. सपोज इट इज ए मैग्नेट, ओके, सपोज इट इज ए मैग्नेट एंड हियर वी विल ब्रिंग ए चॉक एंड सपोज इट इज ए मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस, ए नेल, ए आयरन नेल. सो here it will bring too close to it, it will attract or repel. Means in which region, okay, limit of the region or space or area in which it will feel or experience a force of attraction or repulsion. और यहाँ तक फील कर रहा है अट्रैक्शन या यहाँ तक repulsion फील कर रहा है, तो इसके चारों तरफ का ये रीजन, that is called magnetic field. Okay, suppose one more example, when you are just come to the school, okay, So from morning 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. you are present in the school. Then you will just bounded by some rules, regulations of the school, na? Okay? And this is the boundary of your school. So this is the what? Under this boundary, this space around this boundary, it is the what? Field of this school, in which you can just only follow the rules of the schools. Okay? Clear? स्कूल के अंदर जो बाउंड्री है उसके अंदर क्या है, अगर आप उसके अंदर प्रेजेंट हैं तो स्कूल के रूल्स को आपको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. Clear? So this is a field, reason in which the school just apply, just effort, okay, affect your their rules on you. Okay, आप पे अपना rules regulation को apply कर सकता है. Then when you go out from the school, from the gate of the school, then you are free to do any type of work. So it means when you are present in the school, you are just bound with the rules regulations of the school. Na? So that is the region or area around which or in which you are what? Just compelled with some rule. Same as here in case of line. Okay, students? So the space or region around a magnet in which any magnetic substance like iron, cobalt, nickel, okay, some other substance experiences a force of attraction or repulsion. Okay, that particular field is called magnetic field. Magnetic field. Okay, students, clear? Okay, so जब भी हम क्या करेंगे, किसी भी नेल को या किसी भी आयरन सब्सटेंस को किसी भी मैग्नेट के पास लेके आएंगे तो या उसको अट्रैक्ट करेगा या रिपल. सपोज आप नेल्स को इसके नॉर्थ पोल के पास ला रहे हैं तो ये क्या करेगा, इसको अट्रैक्ट करेगा. बट हाउ मच रीजन इन स्पेस it will just show its force of attraction or repulsion, that particular region around the magnet, it is called magnetic field. Okay, students, clear? So you can easily better understand this topic, magnetic field. Okay, we will discuss magnetic field lines later in the next class. Okay, students, so you can easily understand this topic, magnetic field, okay, of a magnet. Clear? With a short video clip that is will be given to you. Okay, so please try to understand this topic better, okay, and learn it. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.
You must have seen a magnet with this shape before. It's called a bar magnet. It looks like a chocolate bar. What happens if we bring it near an iron nail? We know that as we bring it closer to the nail, at some point the nail moves towards the magnet and sticks to it. Moreover, it remains there until we manually separate it from the magnet. So why does an iron nail stick to the magnet? This is because of the force of attraction that binds the magnet and the nail together. This force is applied by the magnet on the nail and hence it's called a magnetic force. Here is one interesting question that I want you to answer. Is magnetic force a contact force? In other words, is the contact between a magnet and the nail necessary for the magnet to attract the nail? Let's look at the animation in slow motion. We are moving the magnet towards the nail. And at this point, the nail also begins to move towards the magnet. It means the force came into action even when there was no contact between the magnet and the nail. Hence, we can say that a magnetic force is not a contact force. Contact is not necessary for the magnetic force to work on the nail. To understand this better, we bring this magnet close to the nail and move it slightly up in the air. You will find a slight movement in the iron nail as well. This means that the iron nail is under the influence of a magnetic force even though it's not in contact with the magnet. It again proves that a magnetic force is not a contact force. So we can say that it's a non-contact force. The force exists even though the magnet is not in contact with the iron. But what does this non-contact nature of the magnetic force tell us? It tells us that there is an invisible field produced by the magnet in the space around it. And if you bring any ferromagnetic material in this field, then it experiences that force of attraction. We cannot see this field, but it exists. This field is produced by a magnet and hence it's called a magnetic field. Now I'll ask you an interesting question. Do you think the strength of this field is even throughout the area around the magnet? Let me explain this to you with a relatable example. Assume that there is a working Wi-Fi router present at some location. It gives off signals in all the directions in some range. Now, in order to connect a mobile phone to the internet, we need to bring it in this range only. This signal will be stronger nearer the router. The closer you bring your cell phone to the router, the stronger the signal will be. One can think of magnets in the same way. A magnet has a magnetic field around it. The strength of this field is greater closer to the magnet and decreases as we go further away from it. As you bring any ferromagnetic object in this field, it experiences a magnetic force. The closer we bring that object to the magnet, the greater the force it will experience until at some point where the force will be large enough to make the object leap towards the magnet.